How to construct a button with static text with a multi-IO desk item. As said before, in order to save resources, one might want to use the same background and button bitmaps multiple times. But what if those same bitmaps have different text written on them? What if they have different channel numbers on each of them? Moreover, the user might want to have even a different text on the on and the off button per desk item, per channel. But don't be afraid. This problem can easily be handled with this desk item, and many more as we will see later. First, let's load the desk item that we want to add text to. Go to the File menu and click Open. Go to your UNOS folder and click on the XML folder. Open the XML folder and load the static button XML desk item. The multi-IO desk item has three properties for text. One for the background that will always be there. One for the on status that is only shown when the button is on. And one for the off status that is only shown when the button is off. Please click the little plus left of the background text section and open it. Now type channel 1 into the text field. We need to create a slot for this text. By default, the text is hidden. The width and height parameter in the background text field open a window that reveals the text behind. So when we change the width and height from 00 to 8020, we open a window 80 pixels wide and 20 pixels high to actually display the text. With the X and Y parameters, we can set the origin of the text. For static text, that's all we need. The rest of the properties are pretty much like in every other program that deals with text. Font chooses the font, style lets you change the text style, and color lets you pick any color. One remark to fonts though. A desk item does not carry fonts. That means that a chosen font has to be present on the target system. If not, it will be replaced by a similar one, or more or less similar one. So if you want to be sure, either take common fonts like Arial, Times New Roman or Calibri, or make sure that the font you use is on the target device. Click the little plus left of the on text section and open its properties. Type channel 1 on into the text field. Open a window for this text. As before, by default the text is hidden. As before, the width and height parameter in the on text field opens a window that reveals the text behind. Change the width and height from 00 to 8020 to actually display the text. Set the text origin. Done. Last but not least, click the little plus left of the off text section and open it. Type channel 1 off into the text field. Change the width and height to 8020. Set the text origin. Now let's have a look. Click the Preview UI tab and see what we have created. A cool button with changing static text. By the way, you might be wondering about all those other parameters of the multi-IO desk item that I have not talked about, such as the layout parameter and all the others. The layout parameter is starting to become interesting when we use dynamic text, as the others will in other sections. I will explain all these later in this series. This is the end of this video. You should now be able to apply static text to all of your desk items. Stay tuned for the next video, how to construct dynamic text in a display with a multi-IO desk item. Thank you.